Hey everyone, welcome back to Rev Ride Reviews, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today we've got something super exciting for you, spy shots of the upcoming KTM 390 Adventure 2025. So let's dive right in. Alright folks, let's take a closer look at these intriguing spy shots. As you can see, the 2025 model of the KTM 390 Adventure seems to have some notable updates. First off, check out the redesigned front fairing. It looks sleeker and more aerodynamic compared to the current model. The headlamp assembly appears to have been revamped as well, likely incorporating advanced LED technology for better illumination and visibility. And notice the new windscreen design, which seems taller and more adjustable, providing enhanced protection against wind for those long rides. Moving to the side, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure sports a redesigned fuel tank. This new shape is not only more ergonomic but also suggests an increase in capacity. Great news for those planning extended adventures. At the rear, we can see a new tail section with sharper lines, giving the bike a more aggressive stance. The luggage rack also appears sturdier, indicating that KTM is focusing on making this bike even more adventure ready. Now, let's talk about the performance upgrades. While we don't have official specs yet, rumors suggest that KTM might be tweaking the engine for better mid-range torque and improved fuel efficiency. Plus, there's talk of an updated suspension setup for even better off-road capability. Speaking of suspension, these spy shots hint at a beefier front fork and possibly a new rear shock absorber. If true, this means the 2025 model will be even more capable on rough terrains, giving riders the confidence to tackle any adventure. So, what do you think about these potential updates to the KTM 390 Adventure? Personally, I can't wait to see the official reveal and get my hands on one for a full review. If these spy shots are any indication, the 2025 model is set to raise the bar even higher. That's it for today's spy shot analysis. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more exciting updates and reviews. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.